The following is a sponsored segment. The claims and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of Live 5 WCSC.
The holidays this year are going to look a lot different for many of us, especially those over 65. Joining us to talk about that today is Dr. Erica Savage Jeter of Partners in Primary Care. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Talking about holidays and those over 65, what will change for them this year?
Well, as all of us are aware, we're in the middle of a pandemic. And so patients or people who are 65 and older pose the greatest risk for having complications from COVID-19. So as we gather for the holidays, it's important for us to remember that.
Tell us about travel during the holidays in the middle of this pandemic.
So currently the CDC recommends that folks that travel outside of their homes use personal vehicles to travel. Of course, if you're not using public transportation like airplanes or trains, there's less risk of exposure than if you're driving your own personal vehicle.
Tell us about simple tips for senior citizens.
So simple tips for our seniors really are those that we've been following all year long, those safety precautions. Number one, making sure that we're masking whenever possible, at all times when possible. Making sure that we're adhering to the physical distancing of 6 feet also when possible. Making sure that we're using excellent hand hygiene, we're washing our hands, we're keeping our hands sanitized with hand sanitizer. And we want to make sure that people aren't sharing utensils, cups, plates, things of that nature.
And even go as far as use disposable. Would that be safer?
Yes, it would be, yes.
All right, thank you for these great tips.
Thank you.
To become a patient, please visit seniorfocuscharleston.com or call the number on your screen for more information. Stay happy and healthy this holiday season from your friends at Partners in Primary Care.